Okay, so you want to upload a YouTube short, but you don't know how? Well, I have the solution for you. As you know, a YouTube short lasts like 60 seconds. But if you upload a 60-second video, it can be uploaded as a normal video. So the solution is to go to your video editor program, create a new project, and once you are in your new project, you have to put your video here. In my case, I'm going to add a black screen because I don't have the time to put a video here. Okay, so I'm going to drag this to the timeline. And now I have to go to sequence settings, and here in the resolution, you have to make it vertical, like this. So when your video is vertical, I will show you. Now it can be uploaded as a YouTube short instead of as a regular video. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Easy way.